Raising sons in hard seasons, a heart reset for moms. I was chosen to mother this child, not just in his best moments, but in his broken ones too. I will not parent from fear today. I parent from faith, love, and wisdom. I release what I can't control and trust that the seeds I've sown will grow. My words carry life. My presence brings peace. My love still reaches him. Close your eyes for 2 to 3 minutes and picture you're sitting at the edge of your bed, sunlight pouring in through the curtains. You picture your son, not as a teenager hardened by pressure, but as the baby you once held, still growing, still learning. In your mind, you whisper to him, "You are not alone. You are still loved. You still have purpose." You feel peace wrapped around both of you like a warm blanket. You rise soft but strong. When the stress returns, pause and say, "I choose to mother, not manage." I don't need every answer. I only need grace for this moment. God is still working behind the scenes. I take one deep breath and I step back into peace. Today I gave what I could. I planted hope even when it felt buried beneath worry. I trust what I don't see is still shifting. I place my son and my heart in God's hands tonight. I rest, I release, I rise again tomorrow.